Hello, thank you for joining us back at Fine, Oddly Satisfying Video. Today's video is another life hack video, modern hacks, amazing hacks. So stay with me and we'll be enjoying all of these wonderful hacks. Just sit back and relax and we'll do all the work. I hope you're having a great day, relaxing day, and we're going to start off here with a balloon. There's a different diversity of hacks in this video, and there's some simple things you can do with very few items you might have around the house to make some wonderful, interesting devices. This is going to shoot out Q-tips. Take a toothbrush and saw off the top of the toothbrush and the bottom. Let's get a little hacksaw and we'll watch and see what happens. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. You'll enjoy more videos of life hacks and oddly satisfying videos. So be sure and hit the bell to get notified of all of our new videos. Please comment if you haven't done so yet. We appreciate the feedback. Wow, that's quite a deal. I love these hacks. They're things that you don't normally even think about what you could do at home when you need something. Please like and share. I normally have these items around the house. And they're mostly inexpensive to go out and buy. So just sit back and relax, and we'll show you these fantastic modern life hacks. We're going to hide things around our house that people can't find. I'm providing audio for you, so thank you for sticking with me. Just be careful when you're at home doing these hacks with razor blades and knives. You don't have to hurry, just be careful and focus on what you're doing. Have someone help you if you're not sure how to do this. It's always easier with two people. And someone else might be able to provide extra tools or glue, paper, toothpicks, and it's a fun project to do together with family. It's great on those cold days. Or days you're home from school. Please check out my playlist of videos that I pinned in the comments. I have a large playlist. I hope you find something interesting here. It's always fun to see different ways of doing things. If you want to see a particular life hack or video, please let me know in the comments. And I hope you're enjoying watching our videos. I love these simple life hacks, different ways of doing things. I hope you became a subscriber today. I hope you're having fun. This is an easy way to relax. I hope you've gathered your items such as a glue gun. Those come in really handy. These are so easy to do. Are you having a party? Now's the time to start preparing. That birthday party or anniversary, Halloween or Christmas. These are all great to do. Well, I'll see you next time. Please stay tuned for the next video, or just play my playlist and you can keep watching these wonderful videos. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Have a great slime, oddly satisfying video day.